Everyone, showing you brackets here from eBay. This is to put double Skyline calipers on the rear of your Silvia or Skyline, running stock disc, stock hub. You have to use normal bearing assembly. You're going to need your two original caliper bolts, 116, 117, 118 and 119 socket. So I'll be showing you assembly now. Okay, this kit didn't come with any of the instructions. The easiest way to tell which bracket is which step down is to go to the rear of your hub assembly, and you want it to match the orientation of the original setup. If you put on the wrong one, as you can see, the caliper will come to the top. It can't fit. It's going to butt. So to start this off, the easiest way I found, take your disc, bolt it to your bearing carrier. Over. That's how it will fit. But because of the way the setup is, the bolts will not get into the caliper with it on. So we found that you have to take the caliper and bolt it to the bracket ahead of time. Use the two original bolts. Now that that's on there, go ahead, put on your hub assembly. Make sure the bolts are lined up. These are the 4 bolts that we'll be using. They come with the kit. These are 18s. Now that that's bolted, your caliper's on. Now flip it over. So to show you the other caliper now. When it fits into this, you can see a space. This space will be taken up by the spacers that came with the kit along with these bolts. The spacers in place. These bolts are 16s. And because you have used a bracket to bolt your second caliper, you will need to place this in here so that when your CV joint passes through, it would have the adequate spacer to stop it from pulling out of your differential. So that belongs in there. So I'll just flip it over now, show you what it looks like fully assembled. That's it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.